How to fix you can't interact with certain accounts right now. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix you can't interact with certain accounts right now on Instagram. So first of all, now I'll show you now two methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method is go to your Play Store or App Store and start by updating your Instagram. Go to Play Store and search for Instagram like this and tap on this Instagram and update your Instagram. After you finish updating your Instagram like this now, the second method is now, as you can see now, open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram like this now, so now go to your profile like this. After you come to your profile like this now, all you have to do now, if you are following many people in a day, now I will advise you to stop following many people in a day. Sometimes the problem that causes you to see you can't interact with certain account right now on Instagram is like you are just following random people on Instagram. So from there, Instagram will think that your account is a robot account. From there, they will limit your account from interaction with any account. Now you can stop like following many people in Instagram. Wait for some days before you continue. So if you just follow these two methods that I just give you, go update your Instagram app and stop following many people in Instagram. From there, your problem will be solved. That's it guys on how to fix you can't interact with a 10 account right now in Instagram. Please like and subscribe.